I'm going to try to, oh, where the heck is it? Okay. Here we go, guys. So now, oh, let me take this. I got to take this off. Okay, so the item was in a plastic bag, garbage bag, in a box. So let's see this piece of plastic on there. So, wow, this looks really, really good, guys. Not bad. It's got a stamp on here as well. Made in America, metal. Made in America. Or America metal. Okay, it's cool. I ordered this in America, so there's an item number here. Let me see, what is this? So anyways, guys, this is a pizza thing. You take the pizza off the stone. I'm going to try to get a bigger view on this. It's got the blue plastic here, so I could just peel this and it's going to be shiny aluminum. So that's pretty cool. Not too bad, guys. It's not too bad. Looks pretty cool. It does have rivets here. Looks like some heavy duty rivets as well. Huh. Not a bad pizza stone. I have a 15-inch pizza stone. Hey, you know, so I'll be able to get the pizza out, you know, and put the pizza in. It's not a bad personal pie for the Napoleon. It could be a little bit bigger, guys. A little bit bigger here, but not too bad for home use, you know. Make a couple nice 10-inch pies. Not too bad. It's got a wood handle so you don't burn yourself on the metal. Now, what I'm thinking about is that this is indented here. They put a couple dings in here, so it makes it hard to pull this out. You can put a longer handle if you wanted to. But you know, there's ways around that. I don't know how far in it's dinged. It doesn't look like it's in a little bit. It doesn't look like it's in too far. But you know, you could always put something onto this wood on here to make it longer, you know. But for now, I think this is good enough for me. If I need to make it longer, I make it longer somehow. And that's another video. There we go. We got the pizza. What do you call this thing? I don't know. This is just to put the pizza on the stone and to take it off the stone. Not bad, guys.